What's up mga ka-trippers? Andito tayo ngayon sa Chicago, Illinois at ngayong araw ay samahan nyo kaming puntahan ang United Center kung saan naglalaro ang Chicago Bulls at kung saan din makikita ang estatwa ni Michael Jordan. Pero bago ang lahat ay dadaan muna tayo sa Holy Name Cathedral para magsimba, magbigay papuri at magpasalamat kay Lord.
Hello po.
Half the population is evangelists. So we have Matthew, who is a man, Mark is the lion, Luke is the ox, and John is the eagle. And funny story, at the request of Cardinal George, Luke had to be redrawn because he originally too much like Chicago.
After the Mass ay meron pa palang curator na nagbibigay ng quick tour about sa cathedral.
This one is slightly different. This was conceived by Bishop Timothy Lyon, who was pastor here for a very long time, and carved by artist Ivo Dumens from a single piece of balsam wood. You notice he is the resurrected Christ, so he does not have the crown of thorns or the nail holes in his hands or his feet. 78, but by 1970s it was showing its wear, so it had been replaced. This organ was handmade in Holland. It took 5 years to build and install. The pews from the back of the church actually had to be removed to lay out all the pipe.
Pagkalabas namin ng simbahan ay diretso na kaagad kami kung saan ako nag-park kasi excited na talaga ako makita ang estatwa ni Michael Jordan.
That's the cathedral.
Nahirapan kaming hanapin kung saan ang tamang entrance papasok dun sa United Center.
No, that's right. Apay, kuha nga.
Mabuti na lang may napagtanungan kami at sinabi sa amin na open daw yung entrance sa East Atrium kung saan pwede na rin kaming mag-park. Open daw yon sa mga araw na walang laro, gaya ng araw na to. Hindi naman ganon kahigpit ang security check. Dumaan lang kami sa scanner at yon, pinapasok na kami. At nakita na namin ang gintong estatwa ni Michael Jordan. Nakaka-amaze. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Estatwa pa lang yan, lalo na siguro pag nakita mo ng personal si Michael Jordan. Pagkatapos namin pagsawa ang picturan at pagmasdan ang estatwa ni Michael Jordan, ay pumasok kami sa merch store ng Chicago Bulls. Ang gaganda, kaso ang memehel. Promise, Maggie. Next time, I'll buy that for you. Hindi talaga ako makaget over sa statwa ni Michael Jordan, kaya paglabas namin ng merch store, sige, video ulit! Pagkatapos nga pala nito ay pupunta kami sa pinakamalaking Starbucks sa buong mundo. Kaya watch nyo yung susunod na video ha. Thanks for watching mga ka-trippers. Hanggang sa muli at sa susunod na trip. Bye!